People always say when you die, you see the light. Is it true? Whenever I look at this light, I'm reminded of you. I remember you trying to explain how it worked to me, but I still have no clue. You were such a light in my world, and I'm still not used to not having you around. I can still hear your voice, 668 days later. You know, I always replay the moment when you held my hand while you were in the hospital. You looked at me in the eyes and told me with a foggy voice that I needed to get better because you knew you weren't going to. You told me that my health was going to be okay, I just needed time to get it under control. I had tears in my eyes because I knew I had it in me to fight the rest of my battle, but we weren't so sure about you. Well, I fought and I'm here today, 668 days later. But the little things still remind me of you each day. Lights remind me of the sky, the stars, the sun, the moon. You know what else reminds me of the sky? You. When I think of you flying high in our Cessna, the place where you found comfort and peace. Lights bring me my comfort and peace. And they bring me you. I never had the chance to say thank you one last time for being an amazing grandfather. So thank you for all you did for me. I love you, Steve, and I miss you a lot.